Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I explain to you how to determine a quota for your shared folders through the server running Windows Server 2022. This quota will be determined for all domain users, meaning it is a quota for the shared folder, and not a quota for domain users. It must be differentiated. In this video, I explain setting a quota for the shared folder, and not specifying a quota for the user. But before we start setting the quota for the shared folder, we must use a tool called File Server Resource Manager, which is a role service in Windows Server 2022 that is used to manage file servers. File Server Resource Manager includes a quota management feature that allows you to specify the space allowed for a folder or volume. And the steps to install File Server Resource Manager are very simple. First, open the Server Manager dashboard. Then, click on Add Roles and Features. This is because we will be adding a new feature. Click Next button, then select Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation, and click Next. In this step, select the host to which you want to add services. Since you only have one host, click the Next button to continue. Expand File and Storage Services, expand File and ISCSI Services, then select the File Server Resource Manager box from the Server Roles page, then click Add Features. Then click Next button, and then click Next as we are not requiring any additional features at this time. Finally, click the Install button to start the installation process. The installation process will take a few minutes. After finishing the installation, click Close. After that, click on the Tools menu at the top of the page, and from the menu, click on the File Server Resource Manager tool. After opening the tool, go to the left, expand Quota Management. Then right-click on Quotas, and from the menu click on Create Quota. In the Create Quota window, click on the Browse button, and select the shared folder for which you want to specify the quota. After selecting the folder, select the folder's quota from the options available to you from the quota template. For example, I will select 200 megabytes. After that, click on the Create button, and the quota for the folder that was selected will be determined immediately. After adding the quota to the folder, I will go to the user's computer to test the shared folder, and see if a quota has already been set for the folder. Indeed, you will find that the shared folder has only 200 megabytes specified, and if you want to change this space, whether you want to increase the space, or choose a smaller space, go again to the File and Storage Services tool. Then right-click on the folder for which a quota is specified, and select Edit Quota Properties. Under Space Limit, enter the amount of space you want, for example 100 megabyte, then click the OK button. After that, open the user's computer again, and see whether the share of the shared folder has actually been changed or not. You will find that the share of the shared folder has already been changed. You can use this on all of your shared folders. I hope the video is useful to you. And thank you for watching. And I also hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.